Friends. I'm looking at some people's den and stuff. And so, let's see how good they are. I think this is a accident. I'm not really sure. So yeah, the short term start with 96. Okay, when movie start. Bread. All I want is bread. One, okay. Waiting area, I guess. Down the stairs. Okay. There's a secret place somewhere. I know that somewhere. It's down there, I think. I'm going down there. I like the design down here. Somewhere here. So pretty. How would you even decorate this then? Oh my god, she has a beta. Come on, where is it? Is it down? Yeah, it's down here. This person doesn't really have a lot of things in there. Oh, it's Frozen Phantom. So, what I want to do now is, well, I would want to do something. Hold on. I'm gonna fix it. Okay. Donations for non-members might then fine. I'll go donate something. I've been really grade school 105. I think I've seen this person. Seriously? Okay, I don't get it. Okay, I want to play the best guess game to see how dumb I am. I don't care. I'm the only one. No, I'm not playing this game if I'm the only one here. Yeah, I'm done. Oh no, never mind. Goodbye. 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 Making my way downtown, walking fast. Na 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 na. What should I go do? Fine, I'll play a good bowling game. Watch me. Wow. Wow. You don't even look like a dog. Okay, you don't even look like a dog. Do you see this person right here? You don't even look like a dog. I really want to draw you. For Scarecrow. Oh my god, oh my god, she looks so different. I'm not watching. You know that girl, she was one of those. Used to watch her. Okay, this is a good one. Rating, I'm gonna be rating. High. High. Aww, that's cute. What? What are you talking about? Oh, that's cool. City of Jamal, maybe? Cool. It's fine. What the heck is that? Animal Jam Rocks? That's cute. Okay, I'm gonna end it here. Goodbye. Bye. I hope you enjoyed the video.